Hello everyone out there. Welcome to Effortless Squad. In this mission, we have this number 5488 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5488. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5488 by 2, which equals 2744. So 5488 divided by 2 equals 2744. Dividing 2744 by 2, which equals 1372. So 2744 divided by 2 equals 1372. Dividing 1372 by 2, which equals 686. So 1372 divided by 2 equals 686. Dividing 686 by 2, which equals 343. So 686 divided by 2 equals 343. Dividing 343 by 2. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 343 by 3. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 343 by 5. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 343 by 7, which equals 49. So 343 divided by 7 equals 49. Dividing 49 by 7, which equals 7. So 49 divided by 7 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5488 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 7 times 7, which can be written as 2 to the power 4 times 7 to the power 3. And this were the whole prime factors for this number. Make sure to like, subscribe and stay tuned.